Show the eating habits of animals. Given below by drawing a line between the animals and their food and color the pictures. Giraffe, tree, bird, caterpillar, lion, deer, dog, bone, cat, milk.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.